a guy wants to take you out on a date, kumele ebe namalini. Check done. Sure, senze njani uzathola attention yakho? Akuyitayela.
I'm just a gossip girl. Nje, uzong-approach her as in friends or just or
Ngipinga mfethu, angizona ipinga, ngipinga.
no, I want to ask you guys. That's really as not everyone is the same. Same as a gents, not every gents are the same.
Ayo chupa mfeko na another one. Qalili yaqhelaza. Lana mude kasi call bafethu ngimshay interview na and ngitholile information emele ngiyazi about her girl. So please tap in nibuke and bafethu don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yo, YouTubers, ngiyamukela ukuthi bafethu mabulala. King of
Correct. Yeah. What's this one?
Anyazi nalazo daba nje YouTubers. Almost the one and only.
The one and only. Go ahead. Owesanyu mama. Hello mama, unjani mama? We've been waiting for you for so long. Why are you running now? Why are you? Ipinga.
Ngiyambona nanumfowethu.
Check done.
Ngaphayi.
Sure.
Direct uza.
Sure.
Hayi, kanjalo la.
Sure.
Kusakano la. Lazo liphawu lolu wena. Lazo liphawu lolu. Ngaphayi baba. Ngaphayi. Dizile.
Akuyitayela. Mama, ungathi ngi-outfit yalo bhuti lona.
Out of 10,
Out of 10, number. Rate 5. Correct. Solid 5, dog. I was a solid 5 out of 10. Before, you know, inspiration shine trip.
Siyazi phela mina ngipinga mfethu, angizona ipinga, ngipinga.
Short left, ngipinga, sosela mina. Yini amapinga? Yeah, amapinga mfowethu, abantu abanjengami nje mfowethu abaneside lasemakhaya noma abantu abathanda impilo yasemakhaya and abantu abathanda elinye iside lempilo lelasedrobheni.
Yeah.
Mami ungule since ethi ipinga ungathini ngomqomo? No comment. Wena ungathini kulo mami ukuze uthole attention yakhe?
Ngathi ayinamaningi mfethu.
Awunamaningi.
Ayinamaningi baba.
Mina mama ngibonela umjito oyidark, skinny, umjito grand mfethu, stifuza. I'm sure ngakuqukula. But abantu abayi skinny bana leyo. Wow. Wena ungathini?
Nah, ingavele.
Avele? Correct. Okay, kumele umjito enze njani uzathola attention yakho?
Ish. Or a hard Christian. Quite.
You.
It depends.
Depends.
Yeah, it depends.
Okay, let's say uthunyiwe uma wakho uzothenga le store and then ugayi uyaqhamuka uyaka-approacha, you know.
It depends on also approach with situation.
Yeah.
Depends on my mood. Then you could see I want to approach her as in friends or just or whose direction is again.
Okay, let's say a guy wants to take you out on a date. Kumele ebe namalini.
Get ready.
Mene malo ukuthi ngagibela naye.
Qedile le.
Wena mene malo ukuthi funa khona hayi izinto ezibiza manje intenga KFC seduzana right for me.
Hey, kahle bo, hey.
2 pieces show when you'll be able like 2
I'm
pieces.
just a gossip girl. I'm just a gossip girl.
Gahle.
Serious, no. There's one thing you have to understand. There's not every girl ultimately want to get into this out masibona nje in bank.
Kanjani manje? Kanjani?
Singabe abantu basihlukile guys. Has to be. Kumele yazi difference between those two. Not everyone is the same. As same as gents. Not every gents are the same. Yabo. Engakusho nje mina lokho.
Okay.
So for me side lami, kuma side lami.
Sengifana uyakubuza ke, ufuna sisitolo mama.
It depends on the budget is budget baby.
Okay, would you cycle ungaseklisha for uguy onemali othengela yonke into or uguy omthandayo kodwa but utoxic?
ngingaya kumuntu o-toxic.
O-toxic, why toxic?
Because apha nemali angijika noma yini, baningi abantu ngathi nemali la mnyango.
Very cliche. Type shit. Okay, say your names, we promote it. Who are you? Where you from? Like, say your name. It's Matukuza.
Okay, igama lami nguSibahle, bangibiza uMatukuze Kasi. Ku-Facebook ngitoMeta Kazikode, Mabahleza, it's Bahle on TikTok. Yeah.
Type shit, pamisa mama. Yeah, say bye.
Ela sahlupheka manje sayitalela kodwa bafuna ukusimoshela.